How to install web apps on iPhone. For example, there's a platform you use often, and that platform doesn't have an app on App Store, and you wish it has an app. That's where web apps come to play. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install web apps on iPhone. Now open Safari. Let's say, for example, football.com. This platform have an app for Android, but it is not available on iPhone. If you want to install it like an app, this is what you have to do. Click on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Now click on Share. Here you have to click on View More. Now click on Add to Home Screen. Make sure you have Open as Web App turned on. Now click on Add at the top right corner. And here you can now find it on your home screen, just like an app. And when you open it, you can now use that platform just like an app. It can even show in your recent. You can use it without even going to Safari anymore. So that's how you install web apps on iPhone. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.